Alright guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the Google Ad auto placement on your website so that Google Ads can be able to show up and begin to show up on your website. So let's do that. So the first thing to do to begin with is you want to register your account at Google Ads. So here's my account right there, for example. So then you want to add your website to the Google Ads. So let's go ahead and add this website here. Let's say I want to add this website. I'm going to grab the URL of your website here and go over to the Google AdSense here. And you want to go to sites here. And you want to click add site here. Yes, add site. So you want to drop the URL of your website right there. So when you finish, you are going to click save and continue. Now that you've saved your website, so yeah, this is the code that you're going to be using for the AdSense. This is your AdSense code. So let's copy it. You can copy it by clicking the copy at the bottom right here. So when you copy it, done. Then you go over to your website. So you want to insert this code to the header of this website here. So to do that, you want to go to your dashboard. So here as dashboard, you want to look for appearance. Then when you hover over to the appearance right there, you're going to scroll down and go to theme file editor. I am using the GeneratePress theme, so all my different from mine. So you go to theme file editor. So here, there is where the header situated. So let's go ahead and click that. So here we are. You want to look for header PHP here at the right side in this box here. So you want to look for header PHP there. Here is it. So you want to click that. So right there, after the head, you want to place the code after the head. You want to place your AdSense code after the head. So here is the head right here. This is the head. So you want to give space in between the head and the meta. Then you drop the code right there. Right click your mouse and paste the code there. This is our code in here. So when you finish pasting the code, you scroll down and hit update file. As you can see, our file has been updated successfully. So this is the first method to do that, to insert the code to your website. If you don't know how to do this, in case you want to break your website, so let's use another method to do it. The second method you can use is to download this plugin here, Header Footer Code Manager. So I've already downloaded the plugin, and if you guys want to know how to plug in right here, you may want to check my video down below how to do that. So I've already made video about that. So you want to create new snippet for this code. So you want to go to add new. So we want to name our snippet. Yeah, let's name it Google Ad Code. Then scroll down, snippet code. So here is where you're gonna paste the code. Let's paste the code there. Now we've pasted our code inside the snippet code. So as you can see, the location is at the header. So it is done. Now let's scroll down and click save. Now our code has been added. The code has been added to the header of this website. So let's go back to our AdSense account, to this AdSense account, and confirm. So Here is the AdSense account. Down below, you want to click request review. Now your website is gonna be, Google is gonna review your website, and after 2 or 3 days they are going to send you a message that if your website is ready to be monetized, you are going to receive message from Google that your website has been accepted. If not, you are going to reapply, and that's not a problem. You just have to tweak something on your website and make it more acceptable. So to turn on the auto placement, Google ad auto placement, here is where you're gonna go. So you're going to go to setup ads. So here is the auto ads that we are going to set up. So there's nothing hardly, just gonna turn it on. So when you turn this on, when Google accepts your website, the Google ad is going to show up automatically on your website. So you don't need to set up anything again. The ad will automatically set itself up. So it will apply on your blog, as well as at the side of your blog, at the top of your website, and other necessary places that ad can apply. So this is what's gonna turn on here. Okay, just click here and turn it on. Now it is on here. So if you want to, let me turn it on here. Let me turn it back on here. There. You may want to tweak something here, ad format. So if you want to adjust some ad format here, you can just click here. So this is in-page ad. You may want to turn it on or off. In-page ads are ads that appear within the main body of content on your website. So I think this is necessary for you to get to. Another one is multiplex ad. This is a grid ad based on ad unit that show up content recommendation style native ad. So if you want multiple ads on your website, you can turn it on or off. This anchor ads. Anchor ads that stick to the edge of the user screen, and they easily dismissible. You may turn it on or off here. Another one is widescreen. Ads that appear on the screen wider than 1000 pixels, like desktop. You can adjust that also. Side rail. Ads that stick to the side of the screen as page is scrolled. You want to turn it off or on. Another one is vignette. Full screen ad that appear between the page load. You can tweak that again. Widescreen ads. That's ad that appear on the screen wider than 1000 pixels, like desktop. So if you like, you can turn it on and off here. If you don't like how they appear on your website, you can just come back here and turn on or off sometimes. So, and you want to remember that the more ads you have on your website, the more ads show up on your website, the more your money is going to increase. So if you don't have too much ad on your website, your money will be reduced. The money that you see on your that you're going to receive on ads from Google. So when you finish managing your ads, you can just go down here and apply to site. You click apply to site. Down. This window is gonna pop up, but you don't want to do anything here. Just click save. So now it is done. Your website ads auto. So the auto ad has been turned on your website. It is done. That's the way you do it. So if you scroll down now, you see that the auto ad is on right there. So if Google accept your website to the AdSense, if your website is accepted, the Google ad is going to show up automatically on your website straight away. There is nothing to do again. So you've already set it up here, and nothing more, nothing less. So that's how you set up Google Ads and turn on Google Auto placement ad on your website. So guys, if you have any question, let me know down below. Drop all your question down below. Subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.